Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to separate audio tracks in OBS Studio so you can record your mic, desktop sound and other audio sources on different tracks. This is super useful for editing, removing background noise or fixing mistakes without affecting the whole video. OBS lets you record up to 6 separate audio tracks. Each track can contain different audio sources like your microphone, game sound, Discord or music. When you separate them you get full control during editing. So how to do this, I'm gonna tell you in this video. You just have to open OBS Studio first and in the audio mixer click the three dots next to any audio source and choose advanced audio properties. Listen to my words carefully. Now there you will see track 1 to track 6 individually. For example, track 1 main mix for streaming, track 2 microphone, track 3 desktop audio or game sound, track 4 Discord or music. Just tick the boxes for each source based on where you want them and make sure your mic is only on its track and desktop audio is only on its track, not others. So and now what you have to do is go to the settings and then go to output and switch to advanced mode. Under the recording tab, make sure the same tracks you selected are checked, otherwise OBS won't record them. Track 1 is usually used for streaming, so if you are only recording you can leave track 1 as your backup mix and use the other tracks for separation. And that's it. Now your audio is perfectly separated and ready for professional editing. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more OBS tips. Thanks for watching.